y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing something really important. If some of you guys know, I am going to college in like the next 2 months. So one thing I want to do is get my closet cleaned out. Hold on. My bad. Okay, I am going to college in the next 2 months, so I really want to get my closet cleaned out, and I want to get rid of like half of my clothes because half of them I don't even wear. So I want to do that. I want to get rid of all stuff I can't fit. Just getting ready to move into my dorm and stuff. So I thought that I would take you guys with me to do that. So I'm kind of stalling right now because y'all, my closet is really bad. Like, it's really bad. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. Like, it's really bad. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. I'm sorry for what you guys are about to see. I just I don't know, y'all. I'm sorry. Like, I didn't expect for that. Let me just show y'all. Let me just show y'all. Okay, y'all are not ready. I ain't ready either. Y'all ready? Okay, so listen, maybe that wasn't it. That's not the point. But yeah, so that's what I need to get done right now. So as you guys can see, that's gonna be like an all day thing because yeah, let's do it. Pause, nigga. No, I went to the gym this morning, obviously, because y'all saw. I thought that was the end of me. I really was. I love going to the gym. I love the way I feel afterwards. It's like, it's mostly tired. Okay, so y'all, first we gonna start by cleaning my dirty clothes. So that's gonna take about 2 hours. Y'all, I'm really upset because I look like this, and all of the work that explains why I look like this wasn't saved. So like, all of the videos that I just made of me cleaning all of this are like literally disappeared. Like, all of my other videos are there except for the videos where I'm actually working. So we gonna see. I'm trying not to crash out because that's really upsetting. Yeah. So what I think I'm gonna do is add in clips from when I cleaned my room last year that I never posted. And so I'm gonna do that because, like, the whole point, like, whenever I watch these type of videos, I'll be in it for them time lapses because I feel like that's so satisfying. So I'm gonna just put in those. I'm sorry, y'all. Yeah. I'm already tired, y'all. I'm not gonna hold you. All we got is this little space that's cleared. So yeah. All right, y'all, don't mind Akila in the back yelling like she got drug problems. This is what we got so far. All of this area, it's like halfway. I can see like halfway of the floor, which is good because I couldn't see the floor at all. I'm sorry. Y'all, I know it look really bad. We've actually got a lot done because what I'm sitting on right now is just a pile of clothes. And these are the clothes. I don't know. I gotta decide if I want to keep them or if I'm gonna sell them, give them away. What I'm gonna do. So I'm like halfway done with the first part, but I am gonna start hanging some clothes up so I can get to the bottom because like I got some dirty clothes over here. But why are y'all doing that? Okay. That's just what I need to do. Like I don't know how to explain it. That's just what I need to do in order to do what I need to do. Alright, this is where we at. It's just I have a lot of hangers, and then in this corner I have like shoes, some costumes, bags and stuff. Don't look at my toes, y'all. So don't look at these, y'all. I'm gonna wash these. So those are the clothes I'm gonna wash. So yeah, I'm gonna get that up, and then I'm thinking about putting them. I don't know if I want to put my bags up here and then put shoes right here in this area, because right now I have swimsuits. I have some shoes. I have like old birthday shirts, so I want to get rid of my birthday shirts because like those are, you know, like memories and stuff. And then like some workout stuff, some shoe boxes. So I don't know what I want to do, but yeah. And then this is just right now. It's like pillowcases, sheets, and then little plush things, little stuffed toys. So yeah, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with all that. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on these hangers. Most of them are broken, but all the ones that aren't broken, they go up here. So that's where I'm gonna put them in. Yeah. That's been on my mind, baby. I also have my drawers right there, and so I'm gonna put my bags and my shoes up, and then we'll see if we can fix that. yeah, so like the top is broken, so I just put a pillowcase on it on the top, and we're gonna call it a day with it. I think I'm gonna do like underwears and bras at the bottom, pants and like pajama pants, or like just pants that can hang up, and then same thing with the shirts, and that's everything going in these bins. All right, I'm gonna take my first load. Like y'all, I'm shaking. I'm so overwhelmed. Like I'm literally shaking. That's how overwhelmed I am. Like look at how bad this looks. So I'm gonna take my first load to the washer. I'm gonna wash them by not only like lights, whatever, but like category, like pants, leggings, stuff like that. I feel like that'll make it easier for me. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm like, I don't know why I'm so overwhelmed.
No man lie. That's been on my mind, baby.
So I started cleaning at 12. It's 7. I've been cleaning for 7 hours, and I still have to complete all of this laundry and put it up. My legs hurt a lot, and my back hurts. I feel old. But yeah, that's the update. I'm waiting for my clothes to get on the dryer, and then I'll do that. Yeah. Alright, so this is all I got left. I mean, I have these 2 piles to wash, but this is like all I have left on the floor. So yeah, I just wanted to update y'all because I have to finish this tonight. It's like 9 o'clock right now, so I know I'm not gonna be able to sleep in my room messy like this, and I haven't eaten all day, but I can't eat until this is done, so I'm just trying to hurry this up. So yeah.
No man lie. That's been on my mind, baby.
Alright, y'all know I look a mess. Like I said, I've been cleaning all day. It's like 10 right now. It's around 10 p.m. right now. I've been cleaning since 12 p.m. So literally almost about like 10 hours. So more than that really. So I have 2 more loads left. I'm not gonna film them because I'm really tired. I really want to go to bed, and then I'm gonna vacuum. I'm gonna vacuum tomorrow, so I'm gonna show you all that. And yeah. All right, you guys, I'm sorry, like I just woke up, so my voice sounds really bad and my hair is different because it's actually a couple of days afterwards because I forgot to film, but I got lazy. So I'm gonna show y'all how my closet ended up. It looks good, so that's all that matters. So let me show y'all that. All right, are y'all ready? Okay. Don't mind the floor because I actually still haven't vacuumed, I know y'all. But yeah, it looks a lot neater. My dresser is broken, so we're gonna get a new dresser. You know, bags up there, all of my long dresses, all that stuff. And this is like a hamper with a whole bunch of stuff that I don't know what to do with. So that's pretty clean to me. It's gonna have to work. So yeah, that's pretty much all I want to show you guys. You know, shoes and stuff. This is all my shoes, but it's like the shoes that, like, I don't wear, so they stay in the closet. So yeah, that's all I want to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Watch Nicole's Diary other video. Watch Key Nicole. Watch my Nicole. And with that being said, I love you guys.